Hey guys, Joe Borio from Cooking and Talent Joe. I got a little surprise for you. It's something that really surprised me. I get nothing out of it. I do love Trader Joe's, so I will tell you that. I do love Trader Joe's. I'm a fan of Trader Joe's. And I was in Trader Joe's, and I love calamari. I love calamari. I go to Italy. I get calamari all the time. I do salads with calamari. I get it raw. We cook it. We stuff it. We chop it. We fry it. We boil it. We do everything with calamari. Love it, okay? So I'm in there, and all of a sudden I see a can. They have a can, and it says calamari. I think it's backwards for you guys, but it's calamari, pieces in olive oil, Trader Joe's. I'm like, seriously? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna buy a couple. I'm gonna check this out, and let me see what it tastes like. I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but we'll try. Okay, here we go. That is just nothing but deliciousness right there. It is absolutely perfect. Let's try it out. Let me get a little spoon. Let me just get a little piece. Let me try that. Ready? We'll try an olive oil. A little salt, some olives. I'm telling you right now, that is some damn good calamari. It is good. It's cooked perfect. I love it. It's got the little olives in there, a little salt. It's got some olive oil, extra virgin, along with some regular olive oil blend. I love it. It brings me back to the sea, the brine, the aroma of Italy. I think it's from Spain, but I'm gonna give it an A+. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna go back and buy some more cans. Just saying. So you guys looking for something quick, you know what? You throw it in a bowl, chop up a little celery, maybe some peppers, maybe some shallots, throw some lemon juice in there, some parsley. You got yourself a salad. You open up 2, 3, 4 of these cans. Ah, it's beautiful. Maybe a little Prosecco, just saying. Hey, love you guys. Quick tip, Joe Borio, Cooking and Talent Joe. Buon appetito.